so much for talking with us and
Thanks a
also
lot.
designing such a beautiful kitchen.
Thank you so much.
You happy with the materials?
Yes, definitely. As I said, I am happy with the kind of work has been put up with most of my kitchens. I think we may have done 10 kitchens till now. Some are 3 years old, 2 years old. I haven't found any kind of scratches or any kind of thing. Most of the kitchens are used by Maharajas who come and cook over here, or there are the cooks who come. But in spite of using it ruggedly or anyhow, the kitchens are perfect. No complaints till now from any of my clients.
So it's like we have we have given you 10 kitchens.
Yes.
And for every, we have got 10 on 10?
Yeah, but every kitchen of ours look different.
Yeah.
It's as per the requirements of the client.
Yeah, different kind, different kitchen.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Thanks a ton for calling me. Yeah. Bye.
Radiance Kitchen and Furniture.